I want this literally shouting there. What do you mean?
Bakit ni shout na niya? Ayaw na mo,
I'm
naman
legit
dali.
to go.
Gasolina dali mo, doon na ko mo. As mo, boy.
Asa ka?
Ari, balik dali.
Oh,
Nadari dapita ang gasolina.
you bald.
You bald.
Holy shit.
Ikaw ang bald. It ain't me, girl.
G paglabay.
Ha?
G ang paglabay.
You look bald though, but
B?
G,
Ay,
vote!
bald? I
Ah,
have
bald.
boy cut hair.
mo mo pa nang kuno ni mo key bindings no, pwede ka magbisod.
Hoy, doon lang ko na kunin yun.
You be.
Nakita ko gross there.
I have understood nothing, but I'm gonna act like I understood everything.
Pag UV.
Yeah, that's how you should do it, my
Pag
way.
UV, ang gamit. Kuan ang rose.
Ha?
E ang rose.
Di ba ako makuha?
E lang.
Why am I unable to see?
Oh. Sige, pag-off
Ilabay
on sa
dito.
flashlight.
Ilabay dito.
F.
Dinis?
Ilahan dito. Ilahan dito.
Ang sa panguban ng mga...
Dinis?
Tingnan nakagas na dirabing.
Ayun.
I have...
Dagang balik.
Duha to akong nadala.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ika 5 na ako nila.
Wala laing ga...
Tingnan ko na na.
Dili lang ko na dito sa taas.
Tingnan ko na na susud ang uban gas.
Wala may stick.
Oh god. Do we have to go inside for a while?
Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, what the hell? What do you mean, moy moy? Oh, tara, naigas diri.
Na ay letter asan sa dapit.
Hey, letter dere.
Ano ako?
Wala sa dapit saan sa dapit ng letter.
Two,
Sa
Around.
letter.
na diri.
This is everything that you want to know.
Mo
Masama,
just like
masama.
run faster.
Exactly the waters some tech particles and needs about mine. Involving anyone else now could break my bond with Azazel. And then he would be my mic shaking. Azazel. Azazel.
We have 6 gathering. That's
Body
great.
fire burning and dead and slow.
Looking for roses.
I think na-drop na kung usan ako. Oh, Rose.
Asang Rose?
Akong gilabay.
Wala pa.
Oh, you can't throw them.
Ha?
You can throw
Wala
some...
pa. I-email mo para magamit.
Uy! Ayaw
I-email
ko
mo
na,
para
uy!
magamit. Wala pa.
Let's go!
Moy moy, are you crazy?
Oh. Nanipod
Ato na if yung goat.
Wala pa.
Yes.
Kira ni kabuk for
We
6.
will free thy goats. Are you counting goats?
Oh god.
No, I'm counting gasoline. Ay,
One,
kabuk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. Ganda.
5
Oh,
there
no.
are 5 of them.
Oh no.
Patong
okay, we have gasoline.
Go. Oh
Ay,
no.
letter.
Oh no.
Ano akong key?
I can hear a Zayden voice in my head. Feels right in my brain. I feel like I'm losing control. I don't understand. Stop trying to word form from my mouth. The speak them. Chinese are rising.
Wait for me!
Wow.
Nakuha na ni mo kuan, Bing?
Sa
Oh god.
gasoline?
Gasoline na?
Oh.
Ah?
Wala,
Ano
wala.
nang
So
Gusto
what?
nito?
Lagi to ang fucking goat. Where's the goat?
Kailan sila sa taas, Moy Moy?
Moy, follow us, Moy Moy.
Moy, dala mo yun. Naay
Oh,
letter.
Yeah, man, basta.
Asa? Ano yun?
Nakuha
Ano
na.
hindi ah?
Of Rosie.
Okay, let's open the door.
Oh,
Okay, this
God.
is where the terror starts.
Oh, no.
No terror, please.
Oh, shit! Oh,
Here!
Get the gas. Isa ako sa ibutang gas dito.
oh,
Moy Moy, don't go there. You can't go there, dumbass.
Moy, let's go, let's go.
Oh, no.
Naog ko gas, nibalik ka sa katong ritual area.
Oh god.
That
I
would
think
be
these
a
are
good
not
idea.
fun.
I'm fine. I am fucking going. Bye-bye.
Awesome, is my boy.
Moy, stop it. Stop being a coward,
We
Moy.
lost
Ah,
my
I'm
boy.
running away, motherfucker.
We have
Going
Not
to
the
the
8 kabok.
spot.
We have 8. That's great. Let's go.
Moy,
Let's go.
turn back, turn back.
Y'all left me behind, bro.
We did it, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell
Flag
no.
Okay, wait a minute. What is that?
Flickering. Oh shit.
Oh, no, oh.
I don't know. Close one.
Okay. Moy, I dare you to go.
Motherfucker.
Damn
You
it.
lied. Oh, fuck.
Ano ni?
Moy,
You want-
Moy, Bing, asa mo ka, Bing?
Oh no. Oh no.
Where are the roses? Panay gas, Bing. Duha ka buo kali para makompleto na tong gas.
Asa man? Where the fuck are you?
Ato din ka room.
Nasa usa ka gas din eh.
Dang nga tri sa sud, kani. I can hear someone screeching.
Let's fucking run for the
Moy,
hill.
ni gawas mi sa house.
Maybe wait.
Live my boy away! Go! Sacrifice my boy.
Let's go sacrifice.
We sacrifice my boy.
Oh shit. Oh come on, y'all left me behind.
Uy, nain ni someone lagi.
Na, check. Balik na ta.
Oh,
Okay.
man.
Boy, I'm coming back! Don't be afraid.
Wait sa ako pang i-drop ang gas. Oh,
Okay na, dahil sakto na tong gas.
Ano
Dahil you have complete.
we need more.
We
Para
don't, Moy,
masunog
Moy.
na
We
to.
only need 10.
Let's go!
We need more for arson. I need
Ansan
to
mo?
burn something.
Sud na ko balik sa house.
So, go gikan sa front door.
Oh, nisod ko sa basement.
Nako ikwan. Master.
Okay, Moy, follow me.
Asa na mo? If hinana mo sa front door, tell me.
Kitchen key. I need to get my hay. Get your hay, guys. Where's your
Left
hay?
me behind, you assholes.
Maybe because you entered the wrong door, though, guys.
Basta inaas yan.
Oh fuck man.
Let me just
Oh
Oh,
fuck.
dahil
nasa
nasa diri sa
tungka, nasa
matutangan,
tungka.
dahil. I don't like it here.
Oh man.
Moy, stop being a coward, Moy. Stop running away. We need to get past the living room.
Okay, din eh.
Guys, I think we should not separate.
Asa man mo?
Di magkita. Oh, tara, Bing, oh. I'm here. Sorry, it's my bugoy.
Yablihan na na ko master bedroom.
Asa mo sa bedroom?
Anong, I think so? I don't know. Naba na akong yawi. Napalay akong yawi. Oh, fuck. I did not open that. Oh, I don't know.
Where
Oh,
are we?
it's the rocking chair
It's
that's
a
rocking
fucking
by
attic,
itself.
of course.
Rose.
Of course.
Oh, look, it's a rose.
No.
Guys, we
Oh,
should not
shit,
separate,
Rose.
okay?
Amoy, guess. Oh, Chay, asa na
Not
mo, bro?
What?
It's like
Go
literally
sleep.
Top
behind
floor.
Guys, bedroom key. Ang nauna ko nakika. Breakfast room.
Nana ko'y kitchen.
Naka-open kong duha.
Moy! Fucking wait!
Mula
Para
sa
kung
mga
hindi na
kamoy. Pero you know what,
Para kung
Moy?
hindi-
Don't freak out if you see Anna, okay? Fish somewhere here,
Nata yung guest
I
room.
think.
As moy moy.
Guest room?
Ako din eh. Nako sa
What the
bathroom.
guest room key?
Found moy moy.
Guys, I lost you guys.
Stop
Here's the-
singing! Stop
Oh
screaming!
man, she's here, bro.
Oh, I found a hallway.
Oh,
Moy
they're very-
no. Oh, fuck.
Is there a goat? Ayaw, nagkagasolina mo eh.
Stop it with the gasoline.
There's There's no
I
fucking
will burn
goats.
this place down.
There's no goat. Oh,
Open
tignan na siya
yung
dali,
door.
guys. May goat ay.
Kuya, asa man
Wait,
mo?
Naku, dali nga ang door. Dali nga goat.
Oh yeah, that's a fucking
Oh, damn. Damn it. Run away, Moy. Run away.
Oh.
Na si Ana diri sa pikas ay, na diri straight.
Asa man mo?
Tara, oh!
Fuck you guys. Now what? Moy, stop!
Now what? I have a goat in my hand. Oh my god, si Ana diri. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
Hindi
god.
yung master bedroom.
Nako yung master bedroom key, but I'm not going near that
Moy.
place. Bro, that's si fucking Anna, bro.
Asa man ni siya?
Way, nawa mo.
Arimoy.
Guys, I can't. Oh, okay, okay.
Bedroom man ako na, dili bathroom.
Ma?
That bedroom, bro.
Fucking little shit.
Nana ko ang kuan, guys. Breakfast room. Where's the breakfast room?
Ano ko?
Oh, they rich as fuck though.
Ay, attic din eh. Let's go to the attic.
Oh, bitaw.
That's like horror 101, bro. Never go to the fucking attic.
Yan din
Oh,
ako sa
I found.
Uy, panangita o. Pangita o ganang kuan.
Ako yung nakita na Yawi.
Oh, nasa din eh. Motherfucker.
Balik diri, Chay.
Nana ko ang master's bedroom.
Nasa na akong master's bedroom.
Master
Ang
bathroom
dili.
mo.
Master bathroom din, master
Ari diri,
bathroom.
open na
I'm
nini mo.
sorry. Asa ka doy? Nasa library.
Gawa sa library, gods.
Nanabi siya sa first floor.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't like
Living
it.
room.
Chay, let's go. Come here, Jerry.
Open.
Open the door.
Ito
Oh,
yung-
napay ko.
Do we have
No
a goat?
goddamn goat. Oh, na isa ka goat.
Mine!
Get him.
No, mine!
Oh, then.
We have two goats.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the attic.
Ayaw, sa uy, dampas. Naku na, naku, ato to sa library, balik. Ato sa library. Naog.
Moy! That one lang
I know.
Straight.
fuck.
Sudri.
We have the kitchen door.
Oh, nadiri main ano gawa.
Ayaw sa! Mangita pa man ta.
Nakita mo sa goat.
Well, yeah, apparently I'm freaked out there.
Roaming around.
I'm
Ah,
trying to find the goat. Oh, okay, fuck it. Give me those!
Where's the
Devil
I
goat?
said I'm good!
Come here, devil goat.
We lost the goat.
Go.
We...
Okay, go outside.
Asa man ka? Ay,
Bugawas me. Anong sa outside?
Hala, mag-boat man din siya! We're gonna run away!
Fuck no. Today, Ate Drini mas safe sa outside kaysa sa inside.
No, moy, gawas man siya.
Oh, come on, man. She fucking sucks.
She can walk more. She can walk outside the house.
She can go
Okay,
literally
tama nila tayo.
everywhere.
Stop na sa nga.
Oo na, ko na.
Ii?
Ayaw, sa! Nagkuha pa
Yeah,
ko.
boy. One at a time.
Yan!
Oh, fucking hell.
She's coming. Ako
Yeah,
mo
that's not a good sign, guys.
grab one. Long press E. God. She's coming. Oh shit!
Man, I think I'm gonna die. Oh, I fucking knew I was
Muy,
gonna
muy.
die, man.
Poor guy.
Dre,
Kuya,
wala
go,
na
muy, muy,
sa
muy,
mo. Umatasan kasi.
Wa na lang dyan kung gipahuman sa gasolina eh.
It's okay,
Ay,
Mama.
patient
You can
ba?
do it by yourself. Nakatugid ako si Mimi.
Wala yung giduran ako.
Nanak naman na. Next, ay China ay
Nainaborn na evil
Na ako sa
creature.
living room.
Crawl outside, mother. Crawl outside. Crawl. Crawl. Crawl.
Oh,
Go, Dea. Hurry up, Dea. Terus mo ay limping.
fucking away, yeah. Go next. Chai,
oh man. This phone pa dito tupad na po.
Chai!
These fuckers are making it
But I'm
so
behind
hard
you,
to
Dea.
summon them. For no reason. We
Oh,
are
Nick,
literally
get it,
doing
get
you a
it.
favor, bro.
Asa ka, Chai?
Nagkakugay.
Arita sa basement lagi.
Mama, could you like stop walking or
I'm
something?
Or at
crawling.
natubangan.
I'm crawling. Padung ako sa ritual
dito,
site.
Day.
Okay, man.
Okay,
Hi.
look at this guy. Literally walking his way towards.
Let me grab a hay.
Go get him.
Ako na po, Miri.
Pero ako nagtubangan. Where the hell are you going?
Na kayo. Hindi din na mo auto.
Let's go, we're gonna run away. Holy shit, that scared me.
Burn, motherfucker, burn!
Nakoy kwan sa guest bedroom, guys. Oh my god.
Oh, hell no.
Ay, go.
No.
Let me handle that shit.
Guys, I think padung siya diri.
How about we go out, you know? You know?
Oh god,
Start
nandun
truth.
na gawin.
Just a gawas?
fuck.
Dami. There's a demon here or something.
Ako sa nagsunugon, do I burn this stuff?
Yeah.
Why are we
Okay.
here?
Go get. Nana ko ang guest bedroom key.
Saka naman ta dapat.
Go get hay.
I have hay. We have.
Nana
Everything,
ko ang-
again.
Napadap ko
Yeah.
na ako master bedroom.
Adito ka sud pa diri. All that stuff.
Let's go.
I have hay.
Oh, fuck. Doon siya. She loud as fuck. Damn, bitch, you live like this? Holy
Oh my
shit,
God.
motherfuck.
Scared me. Not gonna lie.
Ayaw kayo magpas-pas of turn.
Holy shit, get away.
Oh my
Damn,
god.
bitch.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Run for your lives. Run for your lives. Run for your lives.
I am.
Guys, she is aggressive.
For real. Oh god.
They are following you.
She loud as fuck.
Oh
man.
god, she's here!
Bro, there's they got her. I mean, you know, kinda got they.
Oh, my ears, bro. Oh god, she's ugly
Anna
as
will
fuck.
calm down when stagnant. When
Where
Anna
are you,
tries to
bro?
rent,
I don't know,
UV
girl.
light will not work. Okay. Hi, Anna.
Look, they is limping.
Motherfucking bitch ass. Oh fuck, I see you.
Oh
today,
my
I
god,
see you.
it's someone else's ass. It's a demon's ass.
Oh my god, she's
Fuck
here. I'm sorry,
them,
Dea.
bitch. She
I'm
do
sorry,
be
Dea. I need
like
to
this.
ditch you.
Excuse me. Crawling away.
Mama, get first aid.
Crawling
Yeah.
away. Oh, ninaog siya.
Headset nila.
This bitch is
Ano ba
following
first
me. Have some decency, bro.
She annoying as fuck, no.
Mama,
Hindi nga,
get first.
niubos man ka. Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Ay, sako na magduol na ako. Naa pa siya.
Yung nalaman ko nga na siya.
Oh, nakakita ko. I found
You
found
know,
a goat.
I'm gonna
I found
find a
goat.
way to go down.
Yeah, save your stuff there.
Nana
Because I
ka?
can't.
Oh
Wala
god,
yan,
she's
Jet
still
Day?
here. Where the fuck is she
Damn,
here?
bitch. Shit,
No,
fucker.
ganun mo. Magunta ka pa dira.
Dili kay ako ginuwat sa today. Ya kay mawa.
Ay, ari mo eh.
Okay, today na nako.
Makita naman gyapon sa dira ka na.
Ang sorry.
E! Long press E, my way.
Highlight naman gyapon na siya.
Run!
Di mo kay akong
Oh my god.
Konti asas niya.
Hindi.
Ano mo siya? Pakita niyo mo mga objective ba di? Kaya mangita ka, goat.
Yeah,
I found a goat, bro.
I need to find a hay.
Makabaw pa asang avoid. Yeah, same. Tara din.
Guys,
Ano na?
nanan ako ang cage sa lock sa cage. I key sa cage. Well, I
Come on, baby
can't.
girl.
I'm
Where
illiterate
are
now.
you? I need to avoid.
Moy, where are you?
Na ako sa...
Ay, abli ang natin.
Oh shit! Na something.
MTL.
Chay, asa? Di ka, Chay?
Bomb ass demon,
Asa mo
bro.
layo?
Bomb ass demon. Bro
No,
is
you're not
buck
mo-
naked.
You're not here.
Yeah, you vanished all of a
Nakita ko
sudden.
goat.
Oh
Wala
god, you're
saying
here.
specific. Holy shit!
Bakit?
Okay,
Damn,
okay,
Asa
I
ba
found
si
it,
Moy
I found
Moy?
it.
damn bitch.
Tingnan, magpananong ka niya. Hindi pangita kay...
Oh.
Tika.
Nadakpan si Moy Moy?
Wala pa. Nakita ko goat.
Cause like, if nadakpan siya, that's
Oh,
good.
never mind. I should driving. Go down.
Oh,
Need to
okay.
find Moy first.
Oh shit. Nakos library.
Oh yeah, I found Moy. Okay. Yes, they na sino. What?
What? I mean, the library.
What do you mean? Okay.
Naka siya sa spawn. Naka siya sa second floor.
So,
Last lang kita.
yeah. After siya dito.
Okay guys, ali, ablihan na to katong kuan
Cage.
cage sa attic.
Namoy door o pag-iablihan.
Yeah.
Naa pa.
Lots.
Naka siya last.
Moy, diri man ang atik.
Just a
Ayan,
demon.
nagkakalay.
Ano, door man nabukyan. Upat na rin door.
Yeah. Oh shit, goats. Ablina.
Tara.
Kaon mong magtanaw, magduwa mo.
Kuan na.
Paspas kay kamutuyo.
Go! Come here! Dili ikuan na tungod na sa pantaray.
Di, paspas na kay kamutuyo. Kung nakaganto, baluran kay. Di mo ni baluran.
Motion.
Di na yung manana. Sana ko.
Now let's
That's
find some
motion
goats.
blurring.
Let's find some goats.
Kapag makahinay sa'yo kay everywhere man na sila.
Oh, na oh.
Nasha diri guys. Nasha diri guys.
She was.
Sana,
What?
babli sa na door.
Tara. Ay, buong.
Kita na yung guest bedroom.
Okay,
Nay,
okay.
kuan.
Open the door, please.
Run, guys, run. Run for your life. What's this sound? Oh my god, it's a demon.
Go down na ta.
Saan? Na kay goat ding?
No,
Ayan na ako'y goat.
Asa
we
mo?
don't got any goat.
Knock sa library.
Okay, we're finding a goat. We're finding a goat.
Somebody give this girl some goats. Masaman mo, don't.
Nami first
Ah.
floor library.
Oh, wait, I found a goat.
Oh.
Damn it.
Best run. Iba, oh shit. Ano kung
You angered her.
my fault, bro. I never should have said damn bitch to her like
You guys, nako. I'm still finding some goats.
Wala sa drama.
that. Kaya ako nang sacrifice
Natakpan
ng
ko.
goat.
Ayaw! Nakuha ka, Bing?
Yeah. Pero ako ba niyang ganahan ron?
I-sacrifice na tang
Sacrifice mo eh.
Ha?
Even
Dili sa?
sacrifice mo.
Sacrifice sa. Pagdali mo eh.
Oh, where the fuck am I?
Bing, lakap doon sa sacrifice
Ano sa...
area.
Oh,
Circle
yung
area.
fave kayong attic.
They walk. You have 4 legs.
I am walking. Na, nabuang na siya. God.
Pagdalig sacrifice din. Ano yung
Ay, nagdagan siya pa doon ninyo.
Damn it, she's angry. She's angry. Boy, prepare your UV.
Oh God! Like, go sa second floor, dapit sa attic.
Damn. Boy, buong bigyan na ito mo.
Madong na siya sa attic na po.
Pagtago ra mo.
Pa ko eh.
Nakilid mo na. Gian na ko ni mo. See,
Bugo.
I'm way too... Natabangan ni May. Awa.
Ako, padong ko sa
Yes, sa today ako.
going down.
Ikaw ko.
Ako naman po siya dito.
Jawa nga na may ero.
Ako, magawas ko sa basement. I'm coming!
Dagan mo. Kinastam na siya.
Asa ka?
Ako sa basement.
Shit na, ka sa basement ni...
Ditago siya sa basement. Loy, ano niya? Yeah, proceed to heal me, bro.
Nastaan siya ni Moy Moy.
Hey, God!
Mana? Jawa na. Ano niya? Oh, fuck, man.
Asa mo tong goat?
Nari, go sa basement.
Si Moy Moy eh.
Dakpan na siya lang, Chay.
Dahil nadakpan na dahil.
Chay!
I nearly had a heart attack.
I-heal si Moy
Nangita ko
Moy.
fan,
Ako
first aid.
sacrifice na akong kuan.
Nasa din niya. Ayaw sa. Dad, chat bangan niyo mo.
Kasi sacrifice Bing. Kaya nasisak matubangan.
I'm just gonna throw the goats, bro.
Sige, naog mo.
Dagan.
Dali ka i-heal sa
Dagan lang. Mag-tour ako sa ritual site.
Gawas.
Yes. Closey. Okay.
Gigi mo na open natin. Asa na mo? Oh, God, you're here.
Padong na may ritual site.
Naay goat dito sa second floor, dapit sa attic. Na, magkuha na.
Good to know.
Let us get the goat.
Nasacrifice sa nini mo yung goat.
Wala ba? Ayaw, sir. Di sana nato siya i-sacrifice.
Pina na niya itong nakan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
4 naka-sacrifices.
5 done that.
5 there. 5.
Okay, go back in.
Kuha sa tao goat.
Nakasin siya kay Kuan.
Fucking guy. Let's go! Asa mo?
Nasa diri. Ang key sa Picas entrance.
Fucking run away.
It's so frustrating. Anong di ka ni Alvin door?
Lagi? Ari na mo! Asa naman mo? Let's go to the front yard.
Mas lalo na mo.
Ari na ko sa front yard. Naanapot siya dito sa front yard.
Well, ako mo.
Between silence.
Okay? Go!
Oh, dear.
Mine! The goat is mine! What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
Where the hell are
When
you guys?
Nani sa attic. Nakita ni goat. Walay goat sa attic.
Oh, nice statement.
Kaya na ka ghost. Lima na lang ka ghost. Triagi, pikas.
Pikas tawag eh. Asa man mo?
Guys, she's angry.
God damn it. Stop being angry.
Over here.
Asa mo, guys?
Nitago ko.
Oh God, nadakpan na po ko. Nya, nabilin na nako ang ghost dito.
Asa ka, Ben?
That's her favorite place. This asshole, yo. Nung paspas na magini siya mula noon.
Asa ka, Ben?
I think I'm in the attic. No, not in the attic. Nako sa gawas. Ayaw mo gawas, kaya na siya sa gawas. She walking, bro.
Okay, never mind. Asa yung munggo?
Naa dito sa asa ko nawala? Dagdagan kay doors. Ano namin just ritual space. You ugly as
Maybe she wanna
fuck.
do the ritual on her own.
Wala na ba pang heal?
Dagan na mga minions nga ni someone, oy.
Ang heal nasa taas pa.
Ang medkit?
Oh,
Anak ko ang medkit.
Oh,
Ano
Nara ka sa gawas, Ben?
oh, nara ko sa healing place ay sa kon ritual. Si asa na to siya? Nawala
Naman
dito siya.
siya, please.
Yawa na siya.
Oh well. Bad luck for me, cause I'm alone.
For na siya yung demon. Ano yung demon dito?
kita ko goat.
Yes, get the goat, my mind.
God fucking damn
She
it.
angry again?
Bitch so angry all the damn time.
Why is this guy so aggressive?
Ang sa'yo mo? Mode.
Normal.
Yung anong
Oh
angry
my
siya.
god. Nakita ko siya. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nanay, nadakpan?
Ah!
Nadakpan si Moy Moy.
Nitago bang ko.
Chay,
Ah,
where are
kabin.
you, Chay? Nara ko sa ritual space.
Na ang goat, hadid ako nabilin ako.
Why is this so hard?
Ah!
Nay, na, gitagak din niya sa same place.
Oh damn it.
Away, like, Chay, Chay.
Okay.
Away, Chay, Chay.
Dali, dali. Okay, dagan. This is running around. As my moy.
Nakakaya ko din.
Dali mo sa kilid.
Tay, kung asa ako ganiha.
Okay, get your haze, everyone. Get your haze.
Mana, nakakuha na ko kuan goat.
Nangita ko og hay.
Second kay demon. And frequently na kayo siya mag-aggressive. I don't like it.
Napa jay goat. Not a goat.
Moy, asa
Ang
mo
goat
nga?
nasa CR. Nasa main bathroom.
Si Moy Moy na.
Bing,
Sa
kuya sa Bing.
bathroom.
Asa ka, Chay? Front door?
Oh,
Front door ko.
Asa na ba ka, Chay?
buwang.
Agtuon ako dito sa kuan.
Guys, kailangan ko sa siya.
Kinsay na dakpan?
Wala pa.
Ako na sad.
Ay, buwang. Nakuha ka, Bing?
I was literally outside.
Yeah, maybe that's why you should run there.
Itawag to sa kunya in front sa
Ano
ritual
kay goat?
space. Akong goat, nabilin ra dito sa front man. Get the fucking goat, guys. Inaaray kit po dito sa gilid. Sa mga goat, where the kit is and where the goat is. Kita mo sa goat?
Wala, pero nagdaan ako
Meron
goat
sa
ako
front door.
I-sacrifice din ako or dili?
Naa dito ungo tayo na si Ana dito. Asa si Teres?
Yan.
Nasaan ka pa, Day?
Siya i-heal sa
Dali, dali.
kuya. Yung goat na raluyo ni mo.
Where's the damn goat? Where's my hay? Where's my hay? Okay, I can go.
No. Just go. Sacrifice ata.
Ale, go. Asa siya, Bing?
Nasa ganyan sa ritual.
This woman is mad all the time.
Damn, bitch. We know you.
Still there?
Your life is sad, but come on. She needs therapy. Oh god.
She does.
Does not sound good. Not at all.
Di, ikuan din, Bing.
Sacrifice.
Stop.
Ano ka da yun?
Oh, you can't hide. You can't hide.
Adong na siya.
Don't do that to
Yeah,
me, bro.
so calm.
Ako na siya gikuan.
Ano, Bing? Tabangan na to siya, Bing.
Na, nag-red eyes na siya!
I died. It was a bad idea.
I mean, okay. Time to sacrifice.
Please get my goat.
Sacrifice.
Get my goat,
Sacrifice na to mo eh. Sacrifice mo eh. Let's go!
Yeah, wala.
Sacrificing.
Guys, I don't know where I am. Oh,
Second
stop.
floor.
Sacrifice 8
Name
goats.
your
Second floor.
favorite place. She's following me.
What the fuck? Ano to? Nakakalitan na. It was very bright. Holy shit.
Okay, 8 nakabok ang kwan. Guys, bring na po siya.
God damn, is she angry all the time?
Guys, isa mo nga sa katabangan. Oo, sumoy-moy.
Este! Wala
At
na
diba?
na. Namatay
Listen
ko.
out.
Shay, what the fuck? They demon in front of you.
Oh, damn. Sorry with you. Oh my god, more people!
No!
Nag-fuck up.
No! No! Game over!
Sorry,
Look at
lad.
big demons.
Yawa. Natagak ko to ba? Ako
Bro, nga to mo join tani mo yung sa yung ko.
Look at him! There, you're like a star.
Oh man, kasi
We
No,
did not
we're all
win.
dead.
The cult won.
di ba kulto man sa ta?
Yeah.
Yan nga nang di mo niya sa daan magpa-summon.
Lawan. Uy, kadag. Sige na lang lagi siya.
Alright.
Damn it. Player ko, guys. Damn.
I suck at this.
How many times did you die, Dea? You died 5 times.
I died 5 times. You know, we need Dreamy. You know, the sacrificial
Dream, back dream.
Asa naman si Trinity?
Man, saya nga eh.